day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, November 20th, 2023. It is 3:45 and 47 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, evolution of taste. So let's jump to it here. Evolution of taste. Early sharks were able to perceive bitter substances. Date November 13th, 2023. Source, University of Cologne. New genetic data show that humans and sharks share bitter taste receptors, even though their evolutionary pathways separated nearly 500 million years ago. In the past, molecular research has had limited information on sharks, as their genomes are often relatively large. Therefore, sequencing is often more complex and takes longer than with many other animals. And however, the techniques are more advanced nowadays, providing ever more information on the gene sequences of many cartilaginous fishes. As 12 of the 17 cartilaginous fishes genome studied contain genes for the taste receptors type 2 with only one T2R gene present in each species. The researchers named this single gene T2R1. The fact that only a single T2R gene was found suggests that it is the original form of these bitter taste receptors, which is not altered by gene duplication and subsequent different specialization of the resulting receptors. As these findings give us new insights into the evolution of these receptors, they can look back almost 500 billion years on the molecular and functional origin of the entire family of bitter taste receptors, because that is how old the last common ancestor of cartilage and bony fish is. The researchers have also introduced the T2R1 gene for the bamboo shark, Chilicillium plagiosum, and the cat shark, S. canicula, into immortalized cell lines. The results showed that both sharks can taste bitter substances, also perceived by humans, such as colchicine or bile acid. A screening of 94 human bitter substances identified 11 substances that can also activate the shark's receptors. And some of these 11 substances also activate the bitter taste receptors of the living fossil ceiling plant, Plantameria chilling plant, an ancient species of the bony fish, as the researchers have shown in a previous study. As the researchers summarized that the extent to which this function has been conserved is astonishing, important example to the entire evolution of vertebrates. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.